Hi, my name is Rudy Nájera and today I'm going to be explaining you the uses of a Theodolite. The first thing you need to know is that a Theodolite is the instrument used for the surveying of any area in topography studies. There are several types of Theodolites, but the more important thing you need to know is that even though they are different because they use different mediums, they do the same thing. So, what a Theodolite does is it helps you find the distance between 2 points and gives you the angle between them. This is very useful if you want to find distances or sizes. Before I give you an example of this use, I'm going to show you how to install the Theodolite in order to have a correct measurement. So, first of all, you need to install the tripod level to the ground. For this, the tripod has extendable arms, so you can adjust it depending on the landscape. Once you have done this, you install the Theodolite on top of it, which is this one. You secure it with the screw that is located under the plate of the tripod, which is this one. To verify that it's perfectly level, you check the spiral bubble to be in the right position. The spiral bubble usually is in this part. So, some people also use a plumber to do this, but not in this case. The next thing you should do after this is to align the two axes. The first axis is this one, the one that allows the telescope to move vertical way, and the other one who allows it to move horizontal way. If you don't align the two axes, you will have a mistake in your lectures. Well, once you have done all this, the next thing you have to do is determine the points. Remember that it's better to have a reference point because what you're going to be doing with the Theodolite is a triangulation work. So, now you know all this, I'm going to show you how to take a lecture. Let's say we want to find out the size of this wall. The first thing you're going to do is put the Theodolite with the vertical axis, which is this one, in a 0 degrees angle, which will give you this line. You take the first lecture, this will be your reference point. If the ground is perfectly level with the wall, you know that this angle is a 90 degrees angle. The second thing you're going to do, you're going to move the Theodolite pointing to the top of the wall, which will be this point of here. So, now you have done this, you take the second lecture and that will give you the angle between these two lines. If you measure the distance between the Theodolite and the wall, you will know the first side of the triangle. Once you have done all of this, you now have two angles of the triangle and a side of it. With this, you can estimate the other angle and the two sides that are missing. So, in very few words, this is the way you have to use a Theodolite and the way you have to install it. Thanks for your attention. I'm Rudy Nájera.